Oh my god.
Has issued a flood warning for major flooding on the Skokomish River in Mason County. Beginning at 6:50 p.m. Pacific
They never
Standard
predicted
Time,
major flooding.
effective until further notice. Repeat, the National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for major flooding on the Skokomish River in Mason County until further notice. For more information, monitor NOAA Weather Radio or your local news source.
Oh god, that scared me. Hello everyone, thank you for watching this upload. You can find a link to my latest upload in the description, as well as links to my Twitter page, Instagram page, and SoundCloud page. Below that you can find links to my latest EAS video, my latest siren video, my latest DJ video, and my latest vlog. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys during the next upload.